I'm Jennifer Runyon at Intersolar North America 2011. In this video series, we're looking at balance of system cost reductions. My guest right now is Costa Nicolaou from PanelClaw. Welcome.
Jennifer, thank you. It's a pleasure to be here with you at Intersolar here in San Francisco.
Great. I'm so glad you could make it out. So, essentially, a report that I was reading recently was predicting that installed costs for PV is going to go down about, on the mounting side, going to go down about 2 cents per watt installed, excuse me. So, Costa, does that sound about right to you, those numbers?
Sure. The one thing I can tell you is that nobody has a crystal ball. The crystal ball in this market has been broken for quite some time.
Of course.
But what does resonate and makes complete sense to me is the fact that costs will continue to come down. And as a company, it is part of our mission statement to actually drive down the cost of solar and make it a more accessible solution. So I can tell you what we're doing as a company to make sure that we continue to achieve downward trending costs over the next 5 years.
Great. And what is that?
Very specifically, we're investing in innovation, and we're also investing in looking at the product at the systems level, not just as a racking solution, but as a PV solution.
Got it.
And I'll give you an example. We are the first North American company to completely and successfully go through UL 2703, which is a subject for racking systems. The result of that is that our customers get to already save 2 to 4 cents a watt on the balance of system piece for grounding of PV arrays. So there's just one specific example of our ability to continue to achieve cost downward over the next 3 to 5 years. We're doing it today already.
Right, great. I'm interested in, you just said innovation, because that is one of the key trends that was also pointed out in this report. We're going to look for more innovation, we're going to look for consolidation, and we're going to look for standardization across the industry. So do you have any more to add on innovation? Because I'm curious, how do you guys foster that?
Well, it's another very interesting question. If you look at PanelClaw in our history, we have delivered to market 4 products in 4 years. And all 4 products have achieved the same objective, and that is delivering lowest life cycle cost. So we have innovated already, we've proven that we can do it, and we will continue in a similar pattern. It's our responsibility to this industry.
Right.
So we will continue to innovate. You will see more products from us.
Okay, great. Well, we'll look for those innovations. So what about consolidation? Do you think that's going to happen in the industry?
Of course it will. This industry is growing and maturing. If you look at any sector, doesn't have to be PV, financial services, healthcare. When you see rapid growth, at the tail end of the rapid growth, you actually see consolidation. And I'm certain that that will happen in this space. I can't predict the timeline, but it will happen.
Right. Great. Okay, we'll look out for that as well. How about standardization? Is that important for driving down costs as well?
I think that the important piece is to look at PV at the system level. I think we're not ready yet as an industry to standardize. It's a very broad question.
Sure.
But I think innovation right now is a more important thing than standardization. I think we're not done innovating yet. If we can do both at the same time, that would be a fantastic accomplishment. And that's something that we look at every day. My engineering team is focused on delivering the simplest possible solution for the broadest possible part of the market.
Yeah. Okay.
So, in essence, that is looking to standardize.
Yeah, right. All right, so innovation over standardization, but both important features for BOS cost reductions, right?
Yes.
Thanks very much, Costa Nicolaou from PanelClaw.
Jennifer, thank you very much for having me. Appreciate it.